my BAE family, we are still here in Danang. It is rainy season, but we were able to find a wonderful sunny day so we can come out and vlog for you guys. We are on our way to the beach, so let's go. Okay, we made it to one of Danang's beaches. It is rainy season like I told you, but look how beautiful it is. The water pushed back just a little bit than what we're normally used to, but it's still swimmable. That's all that matters. So it is rainy season, so it's not as much swimming as it usually be, or many activities, but it does say no swimming at the beach. But that's really due to, because we're in we had a few typhoons hit us over here. One was up in Hanoi. Bless all of those up there as well, because we were supposed to be there. So, you know, God works in his own mysterious ways. We're here now in Danang. So the weather right now today is very nice. Sunny. The water is a bit receded, but hey, you can still go for a dip, cool off a little bit. And that was the point of today, is just getting out, you know, because once rainy season is here, you have to be a little bit picky with your decisions of what you're gonna do for entertainment and activities. And when it's not busy season, hey, grab a hammock, go on Shopee, Laza, get it delivered within 5 to 7 days at your location. Pop it up on a tree at the beach. They do not charge you for that. And just relax and have a good time and grab a book. It's always something to do. Even though the beach is one of our favorite things, because that's what we travel for. Again, we are breaks and escapes. We like anything that we like to go to. We must have a beach. Every once in a while, we do like to go up north, like in Chiang Mai and things like that. But we just felt that it wasn't more of our, it wasn't fitness really. You know, we're kind of very spontaneous, very extroverted. So we like activities. So if any of you guys know of like some activities that we can do out here, comment at the bottom and let us know.
Yo, so we checked out the water. By the tide going so far back, man, we automatically start off in the deep end, the deep end of the water, right? And there was some huge fish in there, bro.
Like giant.
Yeah, so we ain't got no snorkel gear, we ain't got no spelunking stuff, so we gonna get up out that water real quick.
We surely did. We got it out there real fast. But we will throw some videos in here when we came to this beach and we was able to swim, you know, snorkel a little bit. So it's just a very different day to day. Yeah, so. And we see next. So that gives you another plan right there. So if you, another activity to do will be go swimming. If your place that you're staying at, Airbnb, hotel, or whatever you at, has a pool during rainy season, go swimming, you know?
Yo, the fishermen are next to people swimming, casting fishing nets. That's how you know it's some big stuff in there right now.
It is like.
There's been a lot of storms, so a lot of water being stirred up.
Definitely. Maybe one day we'll catch one of the storms on camera for you guys, but for now, we're gonna keep it safe. Everybody else stay safe out there. My BAE lovers and my breaks and escapes. We're gonna see if we can get y'all some good fisherman content real quick from the locals. Let's go. Everyone's standing in line. Well, pulling the line and trying to figure out what they about to get out of here. Let's check it out. So we gonna help the locals pull out some fish today. Get it, babe. locals out here getting their daily catch. He came in on that boat right there. Let me get some photos of this.
Doing hard work with the fisher lady over here. He ain't playing with the locals. All that string you was pulling, I think we finally made it to the net where the fish are. See the buoy floating in with it. That she wants to be a part of the final catch.
Okay, this is amazing. So you have two teams on each side. Both of the boats went out there, threw out the net, way far, way far. And then it's basically in a U, and everybody comes in as a team to pull the entire fish load in. Like, oh my God, this is the hugest net I ever seen in my life. And I cannot wait to see the after effects of what they have caught. This was just spectacular, just to be here with the locals, and they allowing us to pull the fish in. This was just one of the best days here in Vietnam, absolutely.
That was some of the hardest work I've done in my life, right? And the catch was underwhelming. The least I could say. They're very hard workers, so.
They're very hard workers.
Trying to get loose. You got a jumper. Good shit, bro.
Yeah, thank you.
We?
Yeah.
Andrew.
Yeah.
I'm Andrew.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How long you been doing this?
Yeah.
How long?
How long here?
Fishing?
Around 2 years.
2 years?
Yeah.
Hey,
2 years.
you do this every day?